Hello, this is Greg. I am working with, today I'm going to do some battery testing, and I am working with where's my desktop? Right there. This guy right here. I have the let me read it right off of mine, DQ02 package. That's this one right here. That's where it says it right there. And these are the stuff that it comes with. So, and then the batteries I'm testing are these guys right here. I purchased them through Temu, and rechargeable lithium ion. So let's go back to the overhead. I have my, I've calibrated my device, and I have it set at 9 volts, just straight across. I don't believe it makes any difference through the battery test. I've tested other things at 0 and still got similar readings. But I thought for this test, I would set it and see. I don't think it makes any difference. Anyway, if you disagree or know something different, please let me know. And how I'm coming to my numbers, I'm working with lithium ion batteries. It's not an 18650 or a phosphate, so I'm going to go with the middle number of 10 to 50 milliohms. So the book is going to be very important in this. And I have 6 batteries, so I'm just going to write down each one as I test it. So, grab a battery. See what I'm doing here? Let's go back to 15. Okay, here we go. Grabbing a battery, and I'm just hooking these up and leaving them. And here we go. Let's see what we got. It kind of dances around, so I'm going to just kind of get what I see as a high that keeps coming back. This one looks like 55. Let's go 51. The cap flew off that pin and vanished. Absolutely vanished. Looked all over for it, so I'm not moving benches to find it. All right, there's number 1. Number 2. See if I can get through this really quick here. See what we get for numbers. You see everything okay? Excellent. 32. 32. Looks like 32 is a winner on that one. And I'm just setting these in the order in which I test them off to the right. Okay. Oh, came off. There we go. 45, 52. I'm going to put 54 down. Okay. And next. Well, look at this one. Uh, 22. Ooh, 60. You see that 60? Now it says in the book down at the bottom that these are estimates, but the manufacturer's data is what I need. I looked it up and there's no data sheet and it didn't say anything. Looks like 33 is what this one's settled into. And that's just the highest number I'm seeing after I've hooked it up for a few seconds. And like I said, if I'm doing this all screwy, you guys let me know. I saw a 51 right there, 54. 9, 59, 58. I'm going to write down 58. It's not much of an 8 there, is it? Okay, so that is that's what we got out of this for the batteries. It looks like number 2 and number 4 number 5. Looks like these 3 are going to be better batteries than these 3. I'd be curious to see how I would figure that out over time unless I used them in a, unless I used them in the same type of device and used the devices in the same manner. I think that would be very hard to determine. So, none of those are way off, so they're in their 50s. Based on this, I'm not going to worry about that. I'm certainly not going to send them back based on that. Now, if I found one that was like 100 or 150, and then it wouldn't hold a charge or put out any amperage, then you'd probably want to do something really quick to get your money back. But so far, I think I'm happy. I'm happy with this meter, and I'm very happy with having rechargeable 9-volt batteries for 20 bucks. Because when you look at, where's my desktop again? For $20, you get 6 of these. What is that? 1987, and it is. Nope. There's $3 shipping. Pulling out a calculator. I'm going to give you some numbers here, whether you want them or not. What do we got? We have 19.87 plus 2.99 divided by 6. It's $3. Where is it? It's $3.81 a battery in comparison to $4 to $5 at a minimum that I find them at the local stores, if you can find them. 9-volt batteries have gotten very difficult to find. So, and I think that the lithium ions are going down in price because there's other technologies coming out, aluminum ion and phosphates or something like that. There's other technologies coming that sodium, I think it was sodium ion, that are supposed to be a lot safer. So for now, these little batteries, car batteries blow up, e-bike batteries blow up. You don't really hear anything about these blowing up or doing any damage. And I have lithium ion throughout my whole shop. I'm sure that all of us do, in our homes and everywhere else. Tell me if I'm wrong, but they don't seem to be a big problem. So anyway, I hope this helps somebody do something somewhere. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.